Hey everyone, Gil here, Grayman Prepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about exercising. Whether it's using weight benches or treadmills, the bicycle things, the gazelle, or whether just getting out there and walking long distances, whatever it is, get off the couch, get up, and do some exercises. The more exercises you do, the better it is for your heart and your body in general. All right? So, get up off the couch and do some exercising. And remember, stay happy no matter what life throws at you, even if it's aches and pains from exercising. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish like over-exercising. Do it in moderation. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill, and if you can, plant something indoors as well as outdoors when it's safe to plant outdoors.